of impurities of the CST. When we add impurities like salts or other chemicals to the partially miscible system, the temperature of completely partially miscible system of CST which occurs at completely miscible one, it changes whether it is increases or it decreases. For example, we take the upper CST of a phenol water system, we add the salts like sodium chloride, it affects the interaction of phenol and water, so the CST of the phenol water system is increases. Then we add the same like salts or other chemicals to the triethylamine water system which has lower CST. It affects the hydrogen bonding or attract with the attraction of a triethylamine water. So it decreases the lower CST of triethylamine water. So the impurities affects the molecular interaction in the partially miscible system. It affects the critical temperature points of the system. So it's maybe it's either or increases or it decreases. It depends upon the CST of the system.